In this video, I'm going to show you how to read PDF files in Google Play Books. To start, open your Google Play Books app on your device. Once inside, tap on the Library option at the bottom of your screen where you'll see all your books. Locate your PDF file in this list and simply tap on it to open it. Once it opens, you can tap the center of the page anytime. Doing this either takes you into a full reading mode with no distractions or brings back all the reading options on your screen. When these options are visible, you'll see a slider at the bottom. You can slide this left or right to quickly jump to any page in your PDF file. Now look at the top right-hand side of your screen. You'll see an icon with letters on it. Tap this, and it will open up two important sections: Zoom and Lighting. Let's start with Zoom. The first setting here is called Remember Zoom. To see how this works, imagine you zoom in closely on a page to make the text larger. If you don't have this setting enabled, moving to the next page will reset your zoom, and you'll be zoomed out again. However, if you turn Remember Zoom on, the app will keep your zoom level consistent even as you flip through different pages, making it much easier to read small text without adjusting it every time. The next option under Zoom is Tap to Scroll. When you enable this, you don't have to swipe left or right to change pages anymore. Instead, you can simply tap on the right edge of your screen to go to the next page or on the left edge to return to the previous one, even if you're zoomed in. If this setting is turned off, tapping won't navigate pages and you'll have to swipe manually. Now let's move to the lighting section, which is also extremely useful. Here you can turn on a special reading brightness toggle. This lets you adjust the brightness of your reading screen independently from your phone's overall brightness, so it won't affect other apps. Additionally, you can select from several themes that change how the page looks, giving you a more comfortable reading experience depending on your environment. One of the most helpful features here is the Reading Night Light. When you enable this, it reduces blue light, making it much gentler on your eyes if you're reading at night, which can also help prevent it from disrupting your sleep. Finally, if you'd like to save your place in the PDF, tap on the three lines at the top right-hand corner of your screen and select Add Bookmark. A bookmark will now be saved on this specific page. To view all your bookmarks at any time, tap the three lines at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, switch over to the Bookmarks tab, and you'll see each bookmark listed along with its page number. You can simply tap on any of these to jump straight to that spot in your document, and that's how you can read PDF in Google Play Books.